Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap, but I'm going to show only yen trades in this video, keep it small and short. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the yen index, how the index works and how beautiful it is to watch it, and how profitable it becomes. So let's get started here. So the weekly chart, monthly chart of the yen index is different thing. Let me just open that as well, just to show you that what I was looking at. But like this is my yen index profile here, and the monthly chart. I had this that from here it's gonna drop, so it is dropping. It was dropping all along. And the weekly chart looks like this, nice drop, right? So based on this, from the top, excuse me, from 66.38, when it was there, I made this 32-minute chart. And this is like my 40-minute chart, this is the chart I made on 18th October. You see this level here, 66.38? I said, okay, from here, it should drop. And if it drop, all yen pairs will go down. So what this one did is that it went up a little bit, right? It's like a fake up, and then it started dropping again. So in the next chart, I'm going to show you that how it start dropping. So you see the 66.38. My take was that it's going to drop from here. It went up a little bit, then start dropping. Then it went up, then dropped, then up. So this was ranging. But the idea was that that's the highest, and then it's going to drop. So it started dropping, and I had a lot of trades then from this yen pairs, right? So the idea is that if this thing is going to drop, all yen pairs will go down, right? So and then it's like it's dropping and then it's going up, so yen pairs will go up, then drop. So the overall, the downside, they will be dropping, but time to time they will go up also because of this, really small pullbacks. So it started dropping, and then this is the short setup I found. It says, okay, this is the first good short setup on 33-minute chart, and after that, the yen pairs should be dropping big time. This is November 16th, right? So this chart, and after that, I had so many trades, and then you see this one was all along from there. It started dropping and then dropping and then dropping. And now this one, last weekend, I made this chart, right, for my subscribers. And you see this here, 7th January. I made it, that was Saturday, that I forgot to mark here that it's gonna down, but that the downtrend, trend is to the downside. So it's supposed to hit this TL and then drop. So I said, okay, it might go up a little bit, hit the TL, and then from there or anywhere somewhere here is going to drop. And what happened to this chart is, so far as of today, is this happened. So it went up a little bit, hit the TL, and then drop. So this is what I'm going to show, that this from 7th January, like last weekend, so this whole week, it went up a little bit, hit the TL, and then dropped. So going up, what I did, and coming down, what I did, or what this index chart gave it to me. So let me show you the trades. I'm going to show only the yen trades based on this yen 33-minute chart index, right, before and after. So the first one then going up was on the 9th. Obviously, that was 7th on Saturday, 8th the Sunday, and 9th is the Monday, right? So Monday, it started to go up, and this one gave me a long setup. And okay, I said, okay, this is going for the TL, so all yen pair gonna go up. So I found this entry on GJ 120 taken, done. Here, euro yen gave me the next day. Euro yen gave me this. This one, it started on the 9th. It started to bounce from here, but you can see that there was no entry here. But then it gave me this entry, took it, break even, got knocked out at break even, then again the drop. Says, okay, I'm going to take this one and see what happened, and 100 pip out of there. Now the yen index is hitting the TL and trying to make a reversal. So I was ready to go short. Says, okay, let me see if something is going to give me a short setup. While I know that, US dollar was weak, so I said, okay, maybe USD yen, if yen start dropping, then yen will strong and USD will be weaker, so USD yen might drop. So next, on the 11th, there was nothing actually. And then on the 12th, GJ started making the turn from there. And you see that this is all 12, and it start to come down. This is actually 11 at the end here, and the 12 started here. So on the 12th, GJ gave me a beautiful short entry. I had this entry earlier, got knocked out here. The entry was here, and then SL, and then boom, that's gone. So I took this one and look, 125 pip, and it was powerfully going to the downside. But the thing is that I looked at the daily range, and it was like, my calculation was like, okay, maybe the day started from here, daily range was finished. So I said, let me get out before it reverses on me. So 125 pip here, and then going down, euro yen similarly gave me the short setup here. I was a little late making an entry, but when I saw the yen index and the pound yen going, I says, well, let me just take this one, and hopefully it will go down because yen is getting strongly. So yes, 110 pip to the downside here. And then same time on the 12th, beautiful entry. This is same thing happened here again. Like I had a short here, went down, came up, it went up and knocked my SL out. And then from there, second entry, 90 pip. I says, you know what? One day, 300, more than 300 pip, enough. I close all three, and then I ran. So this is, and then on the 13th, euro yen gave me another beautiful entry here, and look what happened. Right. So from here to here, 145 pip. This is the monthly high as SNL level, 39.19. But watch out that what this pair did. Even there, it went up a little bit, make another setup, and then it dropped, which I didn't take it, but I'm going to show you that this is what euro yen. I close here on 39.19, and look what happened. Another entry here, and from here, if I had taken it, I would have made easy 100 and more than 100 pip here, more on euro yen, but I didn't take it. 145 is more than enough, and I said, okay, bye. So before, a day before was 300, this 145, and a couple of trades before that. On all 6 trades, I'm showing you all about yen index and yen trades. 6 trades this week, yen pairs based on this one chart here. Then it's going to hit this, and it's going to drop. It did, and I got so many pips only because of this. So this is why I said that, watching index, now I have the same thing with the US dollar index, for example. That is getting ready to go up anytime, but it's just a matter of when. Let me just show you that. And I'm getting ready as well. I am ready, not getting ready. I am ready. As soon as it's going to make the turn to the upside, yeah, I'll be all over on it. Let me just show you. So what the US dollar index is doing. So see, this is what it is. So last week on the 7th, I made the chart when it was here. So I said that from here it's going to come down to this TL and then going to go up. So that's exactly the same thing it's doing right now. It came down here to this level, a little bit even lower, and probably going to go down and then hit this 0723 or the TL rising TL before it goes to the upside. So I'm not interested in going short in any of these pairs or going long in these. I will take the trades on these pairs when this thing will start going to the upside. And this is for the next week. Hopefully you're gonna get it the same day, same thing, same trades, right? So this is just wanted to show you that it is very, very lucrative if you watch the index and understand these technical analysis, which I made the chart anyway for my subscribers, right? And they get all of these charts and the templates and all of technical analysis done for them. I'm preparing new charts again. I started already, right? So by the Saturday night, maybe I will send out to my subscribers all of those charts, and then Sunday I do the webinar and I explain every single thing, that this is the chart I made and this is it's supposed to do, and this is how we're going to take the trades. And then on the Telegram I post heads up when the setup is there, and then alarm helps a lot, right? Alarm, yeah. So this is what I want to show you. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and get going, this is where you can go, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe and set up your charts and start doing it. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful, wonderful weekend.